Did you know a single cook killed more people than some serial killers? And she did it with ice cream and peach dessert. Mary Mallon looked perfectly healthy, but she carried typhoid in her blood. In 1906, she infected an entire wealthy family on Long Island. 6 people fell violently ill. 1 child nearly died. Health officials tracked the outbreak back to Mary. They told her she was a walking weapon, but Mary didn't care. She changed her name and kept cooking. For decades, she moved from kitchen to kitchen, deliberately hiding her identity, serving deadly meals to unsuspecting families. 22 confirmed infections, 3 deaths, all because she refused to stop.